video? It's your girl Shade.
It's your girl Wizzy.
It's your girl Caitlin.
And for this week's video, we will be doing a science experiment.
As you see from the title,
We'll be extracting DNA from
Strawberries. Let's go.
We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out loud.
Alright guys, so basically, you know, school is online, so I thought it would be cool if we had our own biology lab right in our living room. So today, for this week's lab experiment, we have with us some strawberries. Now what we're going to do with these strawberries is basically use things that you can find in your kitchen to extract DNA from them. So we have some dishwashing liquid. Anyone that you use is suitable. We have some salt. If you have the iodized one, that's fine. If not, regular salt is fine. We have with us also a strainer. We have a funnel. We have a glass. We have a container. And we have a spoon. We also need water. Have a
Ziploc bag.
So these are all the ingredients and materials that you need to make this video a success. If you don't believe us, continue watching. So in order for us to extract the DNA from the strawberries, we first have to destroy the cell membrane in the strawberry. So we're going to add some dishwashing liquid, we're going to add some salt, and we're going to add some water. And this is what will be used to make our extracting fluid. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to join the lab squad. Alright, Caitlin, pour some dishwashing liquid into the cup.
how much?
I'll tell you when to stop. You know when Jamaicans say a toops. Alright,
Toops.
that's a toops.
A toops. We got a toops.
Alright, Wizzy, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. Oi,
Wait.
you didn't want to get up in there. Why never just dip? Alright, come. Alright.
Shade, can you please add the water?
You want me to add the water?
Yes, please.
Oh, she involves the teacher. So I'm going to add some water. Alright, that should be enough water. Wait, so that's a toops?
Toops. We got another toops.
So I'm going to stir it.
And at first you can't see no DNA.
No, we don't reach the DNA step yet. This is our extracting fluid that we're making.
So it must look like that if you had the same sugar.
Yeah. Yeah, and the reason why we're using strawberries, guys, is because strawberries actually easier to crush and they have a lot of DNA in them.
But if you don't have no money to buy strawberries,
You
you
can use bananas
or cherries. Cherries
or
are,
kiwis.
yeah, and cherries are easy to smell.
We get a cherry thing.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have our strawberries right here. And I'm just going to add them.
I don't think it really matters how much strawberries you put in.
No, you just make the fluid according to the amount of strawberries you have. Let me get my hands. Alright, where's Yan? You're going to pour the liquid into the Ziploc bag. Alright. Never did want you to a light in there now. But that's fine. So I'm going to expel the excess air out of the bag before I hand it over to lab assistant Caitlin to do the smushing. So you're going to smush them.
So, like
Yeah.
this,
So basically we're disrupting the cell membrane of the strawberries to release the DNA content.
So we're destroying the strawberry.
Mhm.
So the teacher is assisting me because my small little hands can't go so far.
Yes, crush them. So what we're actually doing
It's
is this.
smashing them.
Yeah, but the purpose of that is that we're disturbing the cell membrane of the cells so that it can release the DNA content. So the DNA will actually be in the liquid portion of when we're finished.
2 hours later.
Alright, let's help her. This is the most important step.
Oh my god. They tell you don't take this for a joke.
No.
Do not, people. Do not.
Yes.
Alright then.
So this is the result.
It looks like strawberry juice.
But you can't drink it.
Now because we added dish soap.
And you can't drink soap.
So what's this process called now?
The strain process.
Alright, so I'm just
Woo!
pouring it.
As most people do, take their hands and yeah, you know.
Alright, so we could actually sit and wait until this is finished, but we could also speed up the process. So
Can I do this video?
I don't think you can.
Okay.
You're too far away, and knowing you, it'll mess up this. So I'll do it since I'm in the middle. I'm getting to do the cool part. So the DNA is in which part, Caitlin? The top or the bottom?
What's the name?
What's the DNA? That's a very important question. So the DNA is actually, it actually stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and that is what makes every one of us unique, even the strawberries. So you have DNA and Wezian has DNA.
Even you have DNA.
Yeah, I do.
Even the background people.
The background people. Even the background people. Alright guys. There we have it.
Okay, the next process is to put it in the cup.
Good girl. So we're going to use the help of the funnel to do that.
Can I do it this time?
Okay, she wants to do it. Do it. What?
Well,
Miss, you never realized that we reached the top. Let me show you.
It looks
very
like
fun
juice,
activity to do.
but don't put too much. Do not put too much.
Oh, learn from your mistake, right?
Yeah, learn from my mistake, or else your mother would teach you something with a piece of whopping.
Yes, yes. So, guys,
We reached the
final step. So our DNA is
where we're
actually.
really going to see the DNA.
Yes, we're really going to see the DNA. So we're going to get the alcohol, ice cold alcohol from the fridge, courtesy of our background people. Alright, Wezian, you're going to pour it in slowly. And please look so you can do it and reach the top. And then we should be seeing the DNA. Or I'm going to precipitate at the top.
So you might see those white stuff.
Alright, you can stop.
You can see those white stuff, everybody.
Yes.
So we're going to wait a minute.
Yes,
for
we
it
actually
to
are. Can you see it?
Action.
To separate.
Wow. Look how it's making an
Can you see it though, guys? Are you seeing it? Who no me talking now.
Yeah.
Oh, no, egg was there. You're finally excited now.
Yeah, so I'm seeing for myself.
You want to scoop it out when it's finished.
No, it's my job. I'm choosing out. Look, you did everything.
Everybody, if you're trying this already, if you're reach the final stage, it must always look like the thing that's falling up. It might look like burger, but it's not.
Booger? Why you think it looks like booger? Guys, it actually just looks like white floss.
Or some clothes.
Yeah, like some cotton. Some
Yeah.
cotton strings. Not booger. Is it your booger look?
Yeah.
Look at those gradient drinks that you get from a bar or something.
Ooh! I touched it.
It is pretty cool.
Okay, you have to be very.
What?
Oh, take your time. Alright, show them.
So we have the.
Strawberries DNA.
So you like to get a container and keep it for yourself? You don't want nobody stealing your stuff. You're like, where's mine?
Guys, we actually did it.
We got the strawberries DNA.
So this is what the strawberries DNA looks like.
We really didn't think it would work out.
Alright. Obviously some persons had some doubts about our experiment, but that's okay. We were successful in extracting the strawberry DNA. So guys, if you are at home and you know you have kids, or if even you want to try it and just to see that it actually works, this is a good experiment. As I said, it's simple ingredients, simple materials, things that you already have around your house. If you don't have any strawberries, bananas and kiwis also have a lot of DNA and they're easy to crush. Alright guys, so thank you for joining our lab session today. We really hope you enjoyed this fun video that we put together. So
Please don't forget to like,
share, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to hit the
Notification bell. Bye, Lab Squad.
Bye.